Are you looking for the best DeWalt power tools in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 7 best DeWalt power tools. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the 20V MAX Cordless Drill/Driver. Everyone needs a solid drill, and this DeWalt 20V MAX is one of the best entry points into the brand's ecosystem. It's compact and lightweight enough for overhead work or tight spaces, but the high-performance motor still delivers 300 unit watts-out UWO and 2-speed settings, which is plenty for hanging shelves, assembling furniture, driving screws into studs, or drilling through wood and light metal. The kit comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag, so you're ready to get to work. The discount drops the price to under $90, the lowest price we've seen in months. If you need to drill into concrete or masonry, check out the XR hammer drill below, which is currently down to its lowest price of the year. Up next in the 6th place is the 20V MAX tire inflator. Like a portable jump starter, a portable tire inflator is one of those tools you don't think you need until you need one. DeWalt's 20V MAX tire inflator runs on 3 power sources: a 20V MAX battery, a 20-volt car adapter, or a standard wall outlet. So it works in the garage, on the road, or at a campsite. Set your desired PSI, and the automatic shoot-off takes care of the rest, which means no more guessing or overinflating. It also has high-volume modes for air mattresses, pool floats, and rafts, plus a built-in LED light for late-night roadside emergencies. It's one of our favorite tools in this category. However, just note that this is a bare tool, so you'll need to supply your own 20V MAX battery. Coming in at number 5 is the 20V MAX Orbital Sander. Nobody loves sanding, but the right tool makes it much easier and, dare I say, fun. DeWalt's 20V MAX Cordless Orbital Sander takes the arm workout out of the equation with a brushless motor that delivers variable speeds of up to 12,000 orbits per minute, letting you work through rough surfaces quickly or dial it back for finer finishing. The overmolded rubber grip keeps it comfortable during longer sessions, and an included dust bag helps contain the mess, which makes a big difference when you're working indoors. The discount brings the price down to around $100, making it a solid pickup if you've got old furniture to repurpose, a deck to prep, or trim to smooth out before painting this spring. This is a bare tool, so you'll need a 20V MAX battery to power it. At number 4, we have the 20V MAX XR Jig Saw. Whether you're cutting curves, making intricate patterns, or ripping through straight lines, a jigsaw is one of the most versatile tools in any workshop. DeWalt's 20V MAX XR Jig Saw has a brushless motor that delivers up to 3,200 strokes per minute, and its variable speed trigger and dial let you control the exact cut quality and pace you need. Meanwhile, a 4-position orbital action, keyless blade change system, integrated dust blower, and LED work light round out a feature set that punches well above its weight class. It accepts T-shank blades, the most common type, which snap in and out without any extra tools. The 3rd product on our list is the DeWalt 20V MAX battery 6AW 2-pack. Power tool batteries aren't cheap, so when a 2-pack drops in price, it's worth stocking up. These premium 6 AMP-hour batteries deliver twice the capacity of DeWalt's standard pack, charge in about 60 minutes, and work with every tool in the 20V MAX lineup. Each battery also has a 3 LED fuel gauge, allowing you to check the remaining charge at a glance. If you're picking up any of the bare tools currently on sale like the Orbital Sander, Jigsaw, or tire inflator, you'll need at least 1 battery to get started, and having a second on the charger means you won't lose momentum mid-project. Second on our list is the 20V MAX Wet/Dry Shop Vac. If you do any sanding, sawing, or drilling in your workshop, a Shop Vac is a must. Having one on hand is an easy way to keep your workspace clean and your lungs clear. DeWalt's 2-gallon Wet/Dry Vac runs on the same 20V MAX batteries as the rest of this list and goes anywhere a corded vacuum can, including your car, the garage, a job site, or even the middle of the yard after a weekend project. Its HEPA-rated filter traps 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, and it's washable, so you won't have to worry about buying replacement parts. A crush-resistant 5-foot hose and onboard storage for the crevice and wide nozzle attachments keep everything together and ready to use. Finally, the top product on our list is the 20V MAX XR hammer drill driver. Already have a basic drill and need something that can handle tougher materials? You need a hammer drill if you're tackling any project that involves concrete, brick, or masonry. DeWalt's 20V MAX XR model delivers rapid percussive blows while it spins, letting you bore into materials that would stop a regular drill in its tracks. Its brushless motor pushes up to 2,000 rotations per minute, RPM, across 3 speed settings, and a heavy-duty 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck with carbide inserts keeps bits locked and tight under load. This model also features a 3-mode LED that doubles as a work light in dark or tight spaces. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.